Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can reverse a video on CapCut. So in order to do this, it's quite easy, so let's just immediately jump into the tutorial. So all you need to do is open your CapCut app just like this, and then you want to click on new project because we are obviously going to need a video clip to reverse. So you can choose any clip you want. I'm just going to use this one as an example. Then in order to reverse it, all we need to do is click on that clip you're trying to reverse, and then you want to, on this taskbar, you want to scroll all the way to the left, and then right here you will find a reverse. So let me quickly find it. You can see right here next to opacity and next to freeze, in the middle of it you will have reverse. So you can simply click on it. It's now reversing, and it should take more than just a few seconds based on how long your clip actually is. You can see right now that my clip has now been reversed. So if we now play this, we can clearly see that it is right now reversed. So I just try to make it as obvious as possible that it is reversed. But yeah, that is how you can actually reverse a clip on CapCut. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in the next YouTube tutorial video.